Welcome to the 2024 Jeep Wrangler 2-door Will It Fit edition. In today's episode, we're looking at running boards. Now, because this is a 2024, I was able to buy these online. I was able to purchase these specifically through Amazon. On the website itself, it says it does not fit, but I'm here to tell you on the 2024s, it will fit. What I really like about these is that it's rugged. It has a step down from the Jeep itself. And when you look at it from different angles, it gives the Jeep a different look to it. Now, the installation of this was very simple. It took about 30 minutes per side, more or less. You're looking at two here, and the ones that go underneath. Let me go underneath to show you where I'm talking about. So when you get your running board, you're gonna need to come down here underneath your Jeep and just do those two, and then it also has the one that goes to the frame as well. It's a very simple installation. It does take at least 2 people to do this, even 3 if you have a third set of hands. And I will be leaving a link on the description below. Ignore Amazon's recommendation that this does not fit your 2024, because it will fit your 2024. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. But enjoy your new running boards that not only look cool, but help protect from door dings when you park next to other cars. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the flip side.